First, clearly define the objective of your PESTLE analysis. Are you exploring a new market, launching a product, or assessing risks? This sets the focus for your research. Next, gather data for each of the 6 PESTLE categories. Use reliable sources like government reports, industry publications, and market research. Now, analyze the data to identify key trends and patterns. You should look for opportunities or threats that could impact your business. This helps you understand the bigger picture, because the analysis phase is all about finding connections and creating assumptions. From your analysis, extract actionable insights. Highlight factors that are most relevant to your industry, like new regulations or shifts in consumer behavior. Next, prioritize your findings based on their impact. Not all insights you collect will be equally relevant or urgent, so you should always focus on high-priority factors to make informed, strategic decisions and align your resources accordingly. Finally, integrate your PESTLE findings into your strategic planning. Use these insights to make informed decisions, whether it's adjusting your marketing tactics or exploring new growth opportunities. One practical application of PESTLE analysis is product launch and positioning. For example, if you're launching a new product, analyzing social trends and consumer behaviors can help tailor your marketing strategy for maximum impact. Or you can use PESTLE analysis for risk management and crisis preparedness. Let's say your analysis shows that the economy is heading towards a recession. You may diversify your suppliers or adjust your pricing to maintain profitability. Let's look at a real-life example. Unilever noticed the rising trend of sustainability and shifted its strategy to focus on eco-friendly products. This move not only resonated with consumers, but also aligned with regulatory trends. Starbucks' entry into India in 2012 is a textbook example of how understanding political factors can make or break a business expansion. The company navigated India's strict foreign direct investment regulations by partnering with Tata Group. This strategic move not only helped Starbucks comply with regulations, but also allowed it to adapt to local tastes and supply chains. Tesla's ability to thrive during the economic uncertainty of the COVID-19 pandemic highlights the importance of leveraging economic trends. By capitalizing on government incentives for sustainable energy, Tesla not only maintained its momentum, but also expanded its market share, positioning itself as a leader in the electric vehicle industry. And finally, Nike's For Once Don't Do It campaign during the global social justice movements in 2020 showed how aligning with cultural shifts can amplify brand awareness. To maximize its impact, you can use PESTLE alongside other tools. These include SWOT analysis and Porter's 5 Forces. This multi-layered approach offers a deeper understanding of your business environment and allows you to create a complete strategy. Let's talk about SWOT first. PESTLE provides a high-level view of external influences, while SWOT zooms into internal strengths and weaknesses. Together, they create a complete picture. For example, if PESTLE reveals a growing trend toward environmental sustainability, SWOT helps determine whether your business is ready to capitalize on that trend. Moving on, Porter's 5 Forces analyzes how those PESTLE factors affect market dynamics, such as buyer and supplier power, the threat of substitutes, and new entrants. For example, if PESTLE highlights technological advancements, 5 Forces evaluates whether these reduce barriers for new competitors. And finally, using PESTLE with scenario planning enhances insights by helping businesses prepare for multiple possible futures. Combining key uncertainties, like regulatory changes or economic shifts, lets you build scenarios to test your strategies under different conditions. This way, the business can adapt to any changes in the market. While PESTLE is incredibly useful, it's not without challenges. It can be time-consuming and prone to bias if not conducted objectively. It might also overemphasize on external factors and neglect the internal dynamics of a business. Recognizing and working around these challenges leads to more balanced decisions. Here are some tips to get the most out of your PESTLE analysis. First, regularly update your data. Stay ahead of trends by keeping your analysis fresh and relevant to current market conditions. Involve cross-functional teams. Collaborate across departments for a well-rounded perspective on external factors. And lastly, use your findings for long-term strategic planning. Align insights with future goals to build resilient and adaptable strategies. Remember, PESTLE is not a one-time task. The external environment is dynamic, so treat your analysis as a living document. Use tools like Google Alerts and Power BI for real-time updates. To sum up everything we talked about, PESTLE analysis is an essential tool for strategic planning. It not only identifies risks, but also highlights opportunities that can drive your business forward. Make it a part of your ongoing strategy to stay ahead. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more in-depth insights, visit our website,